Nature makes me feel really happy.
Peaceful, calm and happy.
Interested in all the wildlife around me.
Entertained because there's tons of things that can happen in the wild.
I like to climb trees, but I like to explore.
I like walking anywhere.
Personally, I like to go walking with my dog and just have a nice time, like walking and just enjoying the view, technically, really.
Nature is an animal's home, that's why it's important.
Without the trees, there wouldn't be enough oxygen to sustain ourselves, and we would not even be here today.
Without soil, they wouldn't be able to plant crops for food.
So it provides us with our produce. So
if there ain't no nature, then the animals, they'll suffer with no food or no water.
We need to look after, treat animals how you want to be treated.
We can help nature and wildlife by, if you see someone, just throw it on the floor, just go and ask them to pick it up, just very nicely, not meanly. You could build a bug hotel in your school or garden.
Plant more trees, plant more flowers. Not travel in the car as much.
If you have a free day and you're not doing anything, you could get a litter picker and a bag and just go outside and pick up some of the litter.